Welcome back to part 2. Going to go a little bit faster this time. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by grouping my y's, my y terms. So y squared minus 6y. I'm going to complete the square on that one. And I'm going to go ahead and move my other terms to the other side. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and complete my square. And we end up with 8x plus 16. Okay. And factoring out the 8. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 8. Switch sides, so x plus 2 on this side. Then we're going to have 1/8. That's 1/8. And there's standard form. I don't like calling it standard form, to be honest with you. But regardless, that's what this author calls it. Remember, if you want to make this into vertex form, simply move the 2 to the other side. So we would have the minus 2 over here. Okay, so remember what I said. If it starts off with the x plus 2, the x tells us it's going to be opening up either to the left or to the right. Okay, and in this case, because the a value here is positive, okay, it's going to be opening to the right. If it's positive, it's going to go to the right. Okay, the vertex is going to be h comma k. So it's going to be h comma k, so it's going to be negative 2, comma 3. So negative 2, 1, 2, 3. And from there, we're going to find our c value. Remember, to find the c, there's that little formula up here. So we're going to take 4c and set it equal to the denominator. So 4c equals 8. So c equals 2. So our focus is going to be inside the parabola. So from our vertex, we're going to go 2 units. So 1, 2. So that's going to be our focus. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 3. And then our directrix is going to be 2 units outside of the parabola. So 1, 2. So here's our directrix. Behind the parabola, x equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4. And it's opening to the right. So if I want to get some more points here, I'm going to need to, it's going to be kind of hard to put this into the calculator. So to find these other points, we're just going to need to choose some points. Since it's 1/8, it's probably going to be very similar to this. Let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So there's our parabola opening to the right. All right, let's move on. Let's do another one together. All right. Y squared minus 8y. Complete the square. Move everything to the other side. Okay, completing the square. Half of negative 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. And since we added 16 here, we have to add 16 over here. That's going to give us 36. Okay, changing form, so we get y. Half of -8 is -4 squared equals, factoring out the -12. Okay, then divide by -12 on both sides. Okay, this is your third example. We followed the same procedure each and every time, so please pay attention. Please study this, make sure you know it. I'm going to go ahead and move the x minus 3 over here on the left, then move this over here on the right, so that's going to be 1 over -2, or -1/12. Okay, since I'm starting with an x, it's going to be opening up either left or right. It's negative, so it's going to open to the left. Negative is left. Opens left. X minus 3. Okay. Vertex is h comma k. So h goes with x, so 3. K goes with y, so 4. So 3, 4. Okay. Using my little formula, 4c equals 12. So c equals 3. So from here, we know it's opening to the left, so my focus is going to be 1, 2, 3. There's my focus, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 4. And my directrix is going to be 3 units outside the parabola. So 1, 2, 3. This is my directrix. Okay, and that's going to be x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the equation of the line for the directrix. Okay, and now to get these other points, now since I don't have anything to go by on this one, you could do it a couple different ways. You could plug 0 in for x and solve for y. But let's talk about that a little bit later. Let's just sketch nice, for right now, we're just going to sketch a nice wide parabola opening up to the left. Okay, let's see what you can do. This one's yours. Give it a shot. I'm going to come around and check it to see if you got it right and help you out if you need help.